Cute little downtown pop-up park. I'm surprised for its size that they actually have a separate spot for small dogs and bigger dogs. It looks like they used old, like used football turf. That's kind of a neat way to recycle. But since we're the only two dogs here, I just brought Tucker into the big dog area with Noelle. What'd you find, Tucker? Tucker. Good